Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. In this guide, you'll learn how to start a successful rabbit feed agribusiness in 2027. We'll share expert insights on market trends, essential resources, and practical steps to help you build a profitable venture. Whether you're new to agriculture or looking to expand your business, this overview will provide the knowledge you need to get started with confidence. The demand for rabbit feed is experiencing significant growth, driven by the rising popularity of rabbit farming for both meat and pets. As more consumers seek sustainable and healthy protein sources, rabbit meat is gaining traction in various markets. By 2027, industry trends indicate a favorable environment for new entrants, with advancements in feed formulations and distribution networks making it easier to reach customers. This convergence of factors makes 2027 an ideal moment to capitalize on the expanding rabbit feed market. Entering now positions businesses to benefit from increasing demand and evolving consumer preferences. Starting a rabbit feed business involves several key requirements that lay the foundation for success. First, securing adequate capital is crucial, as it covers expenses such as purchasing raw materials, equipment, and initial operational costs. Essential equipment may include mixers, grinders, packaging machines, and storage facilities to ensure efficient production and safe storage of feed. Choosing the right location is also important. It should be easily accessible to suppliers and customers and comply with local regulations. By addressing these core needs, you can establish a solid base for your rabbit feed business. High-quality rabbit feed is formulated to provide balanced nutrition, supporting optimal health and growth. Key ingredients typically include a blend of alfalfa or Timothy hay, grains, and essential vitamins and minerals. These components ensure adequate fiber, protein, and energy levels, which are crucial for digestion and overall well-being. Industry standards emphasize the importance of consistent quality and the absence of harmful additives. Meeting these nutritional guidelines helps promote healthy development and productivity in rabbits. Sourcing raw materials efficiently and cost-effectively is essential for sustainable production. Begin by researching local suppliers to reduce transportation costs and minimize environmental impact. Establish long-term relationships with trusted vendors, which can lead to better pricing and consistent quality. Consider bulk purchasing and collaborative buying with other businesses to leverage economies of scale. Finally, regularly review your sourcing strategies to identify new opportunities for improvement and ensure alignment with your sustainability goals. The production of rabbit feed begins with carefully measuring and mixing various raw ingredients, such as grains, proteins, and essential vitamins. These components are blended to ensure a balanced nutritional profile suited for rabbits. The mixture is then processed, often through pelleting, which shapes the feed into uniform pieces that are easy for rabbits to consume. Once formed, the pellets are cooled and dried to maintain their quality and prevent spoilage. Finally, the finished feed is weighed, packaged, and sealed, ready for distribution to farms and pet owners. Complying with regulatory standards and certifications is essential for ensuring product safety and quality. Begin by identifying the specific regulations that apply to your product and industry, such as ISO standards or government requirements. Carefully review the guidelines and implement necessary processes, including thorough testing and documentation. Regular audits and updates help maintain compliance as standards evolve. By following these steps, you can build trust with consumers and avoid legal complications. To successfully reach rabbit farmers, it's important to understand their unique needs and preferences. Leveraging social media platforms and agricultural forums can help you connect with this community directly. Consider partnering with local farming organizations or attending agricultural events to increase your visibility. Offering educational content, such as guides or tips on rabbit care, can also position your business as a valuable resource. By combining these strategies, you can effectively expand your customer base and build lasting relationships with rabbit farmers. In 2027, A variety of digital tools and platforms are available to help promote your rabbit feed business online. Social media channels like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok enable you to showcase your products through engaging content and connect directly with potential customers. E-commerce platforms such as Shopify and Amazon make it easier to set up an online store and manage sales efficiently. Additionally, digital advertising tools like Google Ads and Meta Ads allow you to target specific audiences based on their interests and location. By leveraging these resources, you can expand your reach and build a strong online presence for your business. Pricing strategies play a crucial role in determining a company's profitability and market position. By carefully analyzing costs, customer demand, and competitor pricing, businesses can set prices that attract customers while ensuring healthy profit margins. It's important to strike a balance between offering value and maintaining competitiveness in the market. Regularly reviewing and adjusting pricing strategies helps companies respond to changing market conditions and maximize long-term profitability. Discover inspiring success stories from entrepreneurs who have turned their passion for rabbit feed into prosperous businesses. These individuals face challenges head-on, learning to adapt and innovate in a competitive market. Through dedication and smart strategies, they manage to carve out a niche and grow their operations. Their journeys highlight the potential for growth and the rewards of perseverance in the rabbit feed industry. The rabbit feed industry faces several common challenges, including fluctuating raw material costs, inconsistent feed quality, and limited access to specialized nutrition. These issues can impact both the health of rabbits and the profitability of producers. Practical solutions include sourcing ingredients from reliable suppliers, implementing strict quality control measures, and investing in research to develop balanced feed formulations. Additionally, adopting modern storage and processing techniques helps preserve nutrient value and reduce waste. By addressing these challenges proactively, the industry can ensure healthier rabbits and more sustainable operations. Scaling your agribusiness requires a strategic approach, focusing on both operational efficiency and market expansion. Experts recommend evaluating your current processes to identify areas where technology or improved management can boost productivity. Diversifying your product offerings can help reduce risk and tap into new markets. Consider researching consumer trends and exploring value-added products that complement your existing line. By carefully planning and seeking expert guidance, you can position your agribusiness for sustainable growth and long-term success. Launching a successful rabbit feed agribusiness in 2027 involves several essential steps. Begin by researching market demand and identifying your target customers, such as local rabbit farmers or commercial breeders. Secure high-quality raw materials and develop a balanced feed formula that meets the nutritional needs of rabbits. Invest in efficient production equipment and ensure compliance with relevant food safety and agricultural regulations. Finally, focus on building strong distribution channels and promoting your brand to establish a reliable presence in the market. Sharing knowledge can spark new ideas and opportunities. If you found this video helpful, consider passing it along to other entrepreneurs who might benefit as well. For ongoing insights and updates in the world of agribusiness, subscribing to SMART-AGRI Hub ensures you stay informed about the latest trends and strategies.